All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Google. All these tech companies brought home the bacon and blew past earnings estimates on Thursday evening. Now, this isn't too surprising, as we all know that the FANG stocks have been really carrying the dead weight within many indices. However, they can only carry so much, as it seems that the tides have turned back today and shifted more towards safe haven plays. And today is no different, with gold and silver shaking off the days of consolidation that they had recently. Now, the metals look like they're ready to wake from their hibernation again and keep on winning. So what exactly am I seeing that makes me say this? Well, stay tuned, but first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button. Helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. All right, so let's start off by taking a look at our shiny friends today. And let's take a look here. Gold is climbing and fighting its way northward in order to break that mid-1980s resistance that we hit recently. And take a look at silver too. It broke past $24 earlier today. It's a little bit below that right now. Well, actually, just went back up to $24.01. Now, this safe haven behavior has been coupled with what we've been seeing in the bond market as well. Take a look here at the US 10-year Treasury note. Now, overnight, the US 10-year Treasury note hit a low. Now, this is the lowest year to date that it ever hit, of 0.523%, which is insane. Just take a look here around that 1:48 time period AM Eastern Standard Time. Hit 0.523%. Right now it's at 0.549. And people are just, investors are not feeling confident enough to take these risky plays right now. So they're piling into vehicles that will just drive them out to safety, such as gold and silver and even the 10-year. So what's driving this fear are these daily reminders such as this. U.S. personal income drops in June on lack of stimulus checks. This is from Wells Fargo. Now, as we know, personal income skyrocketed to 12.1% in April, and then it plummeted by 4.4% in May, and again dropped by 1.1% in June. Analysts are surmising that less government stimulus is the reason for the continued drop. Now, this news comes today on all days, July 31st, which also happens to be the last day that enhanced unemployment benefits are in effect until our U.S. government officials can come together, come to agreement, and get more weekly checks into households. Now, next week may be the first week that we see people going without the additional $600 that they've been used to getting. And, I'm sure this worry is in the back of investors' heads as they pile into safe havens today. Here's more info on that. This comes from CBS. Democrats reject White House offer for short-term extension of unemployment. Now, here's a quick quote from Nancy Pelosi explaining why she rejected the extension. And I quote, "I think they," meaning the Republicans, "understand that we have a bill, but they just don't realize how big it has to be," Pelosi told reporters. She said that a 1-week extension of the unemployment benefits would be worthless, since people in many states have already stopped receiving the additional $600 bonus. Now, this is something that I am actually just getting wind of. I had no idea that people had already stopped receiving benefits. Let's continue. Although the CARES Act set July 31st as the final day for paying the additional weekly benefits, states that disperse their unemployment benefits on weeks that end on Saturdays or Sundays ended the extra benefits on the week ending Saturday, July 25th or Sunday, July 26th. So guys, that's your Friday, the last day of July. If nothing gets passed soon, I can only imagine how stressed households will begin to feel in early August. Safe havens like gold and silver will continue to get a bid, while riskier plays will begin to lose steam. But let me know what you guys think. This is just my opinion. I'm curious to see what you guys think as well. Thanks again for watching. Please give the video a like. Also, if you're new to this channel, we have 2 more episodes coming up today, and we're also going to have episodes coming up this weekend. So definitely subscribe and join the community. All right. Thanks again. It's Black Bullion.